I am back. I'm obviously in work, so I'm back with another sit down video, but I'm going to do a My Little Beauty Box unboxing. This is actually September's box, but I'm kind of, because of the way the subscription works, which I'll get into in a second, I've decided that my unboxing videos are going to be from the month before. So this month is September, and because the October box won't come until the 3rd or 4th week of October, it'll actually go up at the beginning of November. So My Little Beauty Box is it's an incredible company. I got introduced to it a couple of months ago now, and it's really interesting. It's £35 a month including shipping, which seems like a lot, but it's actually like a higher end subscription box company. So all of the products and everything that's in the box is worth more than the actual box itself. I think one of the boxes I had was worth like £120. I've had one that contained 2 MAC products. Last month we got a MAC pigment, I've had lipsticks, I've had Laura Geller, I've had Too Faced. So for the November box, you have to make sure you pay for your subscription the last day of October to get it for November, and then they ship, I believe they ship the 2nd week of every month. Sometimes it differs, like a month or 2 ago there was like an issue with a product coming in and it delayed obviously the shipping of the boxes, and so it didn't arrive till the last week of the month. So they normally arrive around the 3rd week of the month, and they come by as like tracked shipping, which is really good, so you know kind of when it's coming and when it's going to arrive, and you don't have to worry about it being left outside. So we shall get into it. So inside you get 2 little cards. So the first one is a little extras card, kind of, you normally get like a sweet item and then either like an extra little sample size product or like a homemade like small business product. So I think one month we got like wax melts and candles and things like that, so it's nice to introduce you to smaller brands as well. And then the actual big one for September, as you can see, has all the information of everything you're going to get on the back, with the recommended retail price and then the actual total recommended retail price at the bottom. And you also get like a little bit of information about each of the products. And then in the September box as well, we also get a code for Hey Wispies Babe. So I presume they're lashes. I'm so confused. Yeah, they're the lashes. The Wispies lash company, which offer 30% off our first order with them with the box, which was really nice of them. So first up in the box is one of the extras, which is the waffles strawberry waffle sandwich with a strawberry filling inside, and this is amazing. This probably isn't summer well friendly, just gonna put it out there. Yeah, this definitely is not, it's like almost 200 calories, so this isn't quite slim and well friendly. So this might go to a family member or TJ, my little brother, no doubt. TJ likes these like waffly type things. It kind of reminds me of those sweets that are pink and white marshmallow with the crisp wafery things on the top, so he'll like that. And then we also get a sample of the Elizabeth Arden Beautiful Colour Mascara, which is lash enhancing, which is just in the shade black. It seems really thin, like it seems more like a liquid eyeliner than a mascara, but it says it's supposed to immediately volumize, lengthen and curl the appearance of lashes for an eye-opening look that lasts all day. So I'm going to give this a test out. I have got in the drawer above me a fairly hello, my cats came to join in the filming. It has got a fairly decent brush, and I have got a fairly big drawer of mascaras to get through. I seem to get either a full-size mascara or a mascara sample with kind of pretty much every box or anything that I do, including little goodie bags from events. So I have a lot to work through, so this might end up going to my mum. Then on to what's inside the actual box. So first up is this Elizabeth Arden highlighter stick. Yes, it's the Pure Finish Cool Radiance Highlighter in No. 1 First Mate. Oh, it comes with a little protective cap. Wow. Now this is super glittery. Let's hide my face. Hoping it's not pure. My cat's trying to join in. It says it's supposed to provide your cheekbones with a soft dewy radiance, and is cool to the touch. The creamy blush stick. I thought it was supposed to be a highlighter stick. This creamy blush stick enhances your complexion, and it's only £28. So I've never tried much of the Elizabeth Arden makeup. I've mainly tried like their skincare, but we shall see. I think it's trying to rain, so I apologise for any, like, ooh, you can see that on there. It looks like just a nice, oh, okay. I can only just about see it when it's kind of in the light. So it's like a pink iridescent. So it looks kind of pink on the skin, but then it's when you tilt it into the light that you get the iridescent. I chose the worst spot to show you. There we go. Next we have a Dolce & Gabbana Dolce perfume shower gel. Now I have 1,000,001 shower gels already, I'm not even exaggerating. So to get a full size £16 shower gel, I'm not massively impressed. Honestly, if I was given the option, I think I probably would have, from what's in this box, I probably would have passed on this box if I was given the option, only because, I mean, it smells nice. It smells like a nice shower gel, but I literally am not even kidding you when I say I have 1,000,000 shower gels that I already need to use up. I've got some in a drawer over here behind me, and then some up on top of my Alex drawers that desperately need using up. So this one might go to my mum, or I might actually save it for Christmas and give it to my auntie, because I feel like my auntie would really like that scent. And then this is another one I think I might save until Christmas and give it away to someone, because it's the Elizabeth Arden Pro Revitalising Body Lotion with LCA Complex, and you get 120 ml for £28. It's basically supposed to smooth and soften dry patches of skin whilst encouraging cell turnover to take care of even skin tone and sun damage on the body. And skin is supposed to be left feeling beautifully hydrated with soft, even texture. And again, I have 1,000,001 body creams from doing like unboxings, particularly of the Zoella products. I've got quite a few of them from boxing ones, so I have quite a few body in this one here. I have quite a few body lotions and body butters, and particularly from the Body Shop I have quite a few, particularly with their Christmas stuff, because last year I really liked their Christmas range, so I stocked up. So I don't really have a need for £28 body lotion, so I think I will probably save that. I think this one will definitely be worth giving to my auntie, particularly because it encourages cell turnover and it helps with sun damage, and my auntie goes on a lot of like kind of European, like sunny foreign holidays, so I think that one will be particularly good for her with the protection from, well, protection of sun damage. And then the last thing, what are you doing? I've just busted my cat trying to get into a bag. Then the last thing in the box is a pair of these Wispies Gaze eyelashes. Yeah, Gaze. It says Gaze on the back. I actually really love, come here, I really love that they come in like a compact, because this little bit pops out, so you could technically keep it as like a carry compact for your eyelashes if you wanted to go away somewhere, because you could basically fit a couple of pairs in here. But these are £12.99 for these eyelashes, and they say this is the supporting business this month with the Gaze eyelashes, which are the fluffiest eyelashes with multi-layered. Oh, they actually are multi-layered. That's really cool. What? What's up? With multi-layered lashes and a super thin band for super easy application. for a wispy look. They're made from 100% silk, so they're cruelty free, and you can actually reuse each pair of lashes up to 25 times, which for £12.99 I'm a bit more inclined to do it. These, I'm not gonna lie, look a bit intense for me. I never normally wear eyelashes, but they're basically quite thin. The band is really, I wouldn't say the band's super thin. For someone that doesn't wear lashes, I've seen thinner bands on lashes before, but they are really like soft and wispy. I must admit, this month's box, for me, this month's box is not the best. Really the only things in it I will actually use is the false eyelashes, but I don't wear false eyelashes. All the time, so it's not like a daily thing I'd put on, or like even a several times a week thing I'd put on. So I feel like it's kind of almost a bit of a wasted item. And then the highlighter stick, again, I don't think I'd necessarily put this on every day, and it's quite transferable. Like, you'd have to set it down, otherwise it's going to slip and slide, I feel like. So realistically, there's nothing in this box besides the mascara sample that I would use kind of every day. I do have 2 items in it that will make good little presents, and I mean the 2 other things I will get use out of them. It probably won't be for a little while, or it won't be regularly. So this box, realistically, September's wasn't worth it for me. Like I said earlier, I would have rather passed on this box if we had the option. But obviously you don't find out what's going to be in them until they come, and there's no like passing option. This is, I think I've had maybe, I want to say about 4 or 5 months of these boxes now, and this is the first one that I've been kind of disappointed with. Like last month there was a lot more makeup items, there was a lot more bits that I would have used on a regular basis, whereas this one I'm not massively impressed with. This is the first time I've ever had this problem, and it's not something that should put you off getting it. It's just my experience with this one. So I would recommend checking out My Little Beauty Box. They normally do little kind of spoilers for exciting brands. So like for, I can't wait to see what October's going to be. They normally release a spoiler on their Instagram page a couple of weeks before the boxes kind of go out, and they won't kind of tell you what the product's going to be, but they'll tell you kind of the exciting brand that's going to be in that month's box. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Obviously this is just my opinions on it, so go for it. If you think you would have liked this box, go for it. I mean, my family will get a lot more use out of this box than me, but hey, I've got at least 2 gifts now for other people. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.